Hello guys, welcome to Adopt Me. You updates. The odds are going. Oh wait, one day left for the fossil egg to come and release. So as again, we're going to go through the same thing, but there's going to be a little change, like it's updated, and we have to go the whole backstory because again, I worked hard for it, so we have to do it. Anyways, let's start. Okay, gotta press. Alright, accept. Someone over here. Accept. Yeah, buy those. We got Mega Neon. Let's should accept this trade. Of course we should. That trade for them. Okay, so we are onto our new subject, opening eggs. So we're going to be opening eggs too. And when the fossilites are coming, we're going to be opening those the same day. So it's cracked egg. Let's open it. We got a unicorn. Alright, let's see this Aussie egg. We got a, what is that? It's a turtle. And that's it for today. Please subscribe, like, share, give it a big thumbs up. And again, I did really hard work for this, so you should, sometimes you have to do hard work. So yeah, I hope you like it. And yeah, I hope you like it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye. 1 minute. Go. Press it.